This is a Tell door closer, hydraulic. It's got the sweep and the latch speed adjustment on this side of it. They always say to put that on the hinge side. And this should always be straight. And you can actually line this up and adjust this to don't connect the arm to the hydraulic unit until the end. And you turn this with a wrench on top, take that off there, and you bring this 30 degrees back, then put it on, then put the screw on after you've got the perfect distance adjusted here to here. That's the right way to do it. In this scenario, I just had to replace the broken one. The holes were the same. This is upside down compared to some, but I guess this is fine. Doesn't matter where the actual arm or piston is, but this scenario is an inside exterior door, left hand open, and it works fine, and we did the adjustment. The door's a little wonky on the bottom, but I have it so it doesn't slam, and the customer still has to pull it closed to latch it, which is fine. And I like it. It opens quite far, and they could just brick it if they need to keep it open, you know. It's a glass door. It's not a heavy door, but it is an industrial setup, so it does need to have a closer on it for sure. The wind would smash it. It's glass, so this already broke because we had this other one that was leaking and it was slamming and they couldn't adjust it, so this happened, and it's a big crack. Like that's not good. So I thought it was in my best interest to mitigate that. Anyway, back to patio stonework.